Neon veins in the midnight freeze, sculpted edges cut through the breeze. Footsteps echo sharp and lean, a ghost in silk, unseen, unseen. Runway shadows moving slow, flicker, flicker, let it go. Gloss and grit, the rhythm flows. Runway shadows, they all know. Velvet whispers, tangled threads, surreal shapes and tilted heads. Tension snaps like a breaking line, every pose a fractured sign. Bold in silence, bold in breaking rules, the new norm. Runway shadows moving slow, flicker, flicker, let it go. Gloss and grit, the rhythm flows. Runway shadows, they all know. High contrast on a muted scene, abstract dreams in a magazine. Sharp light falls, it carves, it screams, a luxury of broken themes.